First off, start your free 14 days trial by clicking on the Start My Free Trial button, which will take you to the sign up page. Read the terms and condition and privacy policy before proceeding. Once you are ready, click on Add to Slack button, which will take you to Slack authentication page. Log in using your Slack credential and allow Officebot to be part of your team workspace. After successful login, you will be taken to Officebot dashboard page. Now, click on the Settings menu from the left. Under the Workspace settings, you will find all the core settings. Hover the mouse over the info icon to learn about each switch. If you turn off Allow New Member, Officebot will not allow the creation of any new users. You may use this to control your seats. Auto Leave Approve is turned on by default. If you want to leave should be approved by supervisor, turn off this switch. You then need to assign approver for each members at the bottom of this page. Allow Leave Summary is set to True by default, allowing everyone to see the leave summary of a member. You may restrict this to admin and HR only by turning the switch off. By turning the Restrict to View Outside Office Events on, you can further limit the access within an office. You will find more information on the Office and Department Setup page. Next up is your year-end month. By default, it is set to December. You may change it based on your need. Leave Carry Forward Job will be scheduled based on this selection. Similarly, you may change the start of the week, which is defaulted to Monday. Under the Manage Leave Types section, you will see your pre-configured leave types. You can delete a leave type not supported by your company. You can also create a new leave type by clicking on the plus button. You must enter your leave type, select an emoji, and click on the Save button to confirm your action. Now scroll a bit down to Manage Users section. Here you can deactivate a user, which will remove access to use Officebot, but this will not deactivate user from Slack. If you have turned off the Auto Leave Approval switch in the Workspace settings section, you must assign a leave approver for each of the users here. You can also change the time zone of an user. By default, Officebot will use users' time zone from Slack. Finally, click on the Save button to confirm your changes. You should also receive a direct message from Officebot in your Slack. That's it. Hope this helps. If you have any questions, please contact our support team.